This is Justin from Whiting Services. We got the first unit up on the wall bracket. We're going to bolt it in and then pull the other one out of the truck.
Here, let me get my strong arm pose.
Steve up on the ladder looking strong. How's it looking, Steve?
Good.
Alright.
It's warm.
You're a real hit man like Steve. You sound like a girl earlier.
Oh.
Alright, cranking up the other one.
Nah, it's good.
We got one up on the brackets and the other one going up now. Look at Steve go, like Spider-Man, and smoking a cigarette while he does it.
Yes, I am. We're a little farther away. I'm looking. You need to come up about 6 inches. A little bit more.
No matter how fast you go, look.
All right, we got it up, both of them. Time to tie them in. All right, looks like we got them both in. 2 5-ton Trane units. Give us a call for any commercial or residential heating and air conditioning needs. Thanks.